Today I'm going to show you how to make some potions and glitter mixes. You'll need pink food coloring, pink glitter, Epsom salts, sprinkles and confettis, and foam beads. They can be colored or white. And first, pour Epsom salts into the jar. Sprinkle some beads in. In a separate jar, mix your glitters and confettis. Now add 2 drops of food coloring into the jar with Epsom salts and foam beads. After that, take your cup with sequins in it and pour it in. Try and get the whole thing in. Then put on the lid and shake it up. Now take some sequins and sprinkle them in. Put the lid on and shake it up again. Have a little tag, some chimes, essential oil, some little gems on necklaces. You can put on necklaces, some beads, and now I will put them in the jar. To start it off, I will add some strawberry shortcake scented oil. I'm just going to add 2 drops of it. Perfect. Now I will add gems, a handful of beads. Actually, I'm going to add 2 handfuls of beads. Some of them didn't go in. I will add these. We'll put the tag on, and then the lid. I might have to tighten this to make it get on better though. Now it's done. It smells really good too. The next part, you'll need a container, confetti glitter, white and gold glitters. Also, you can have other colors, and if they're thicker glitters, you can use them too. Take your jar, then open all of your glitters. Now, pour them one by one into your container. Now tightly screw the lid on and shake it up. First glitter mix is done. You can use this to make snow globes or just as a glitter for making slimes and other stuff. I hope you liked the video. See you next time.